Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a cage for my parrot. You are going to need these items right here. First, what you do is you put a chain on the bit of the tree where you want, then you put a bamboo hanging sign below, and then you place the trap doors like this, but remove the first one afterwards. Then you place scaffolding on top, and then 2 trap doors either side of the scaffolding. Then you go and get your parrots. Seeds may be helpful to lure the parrot in there. You need a temporary block which will then be removed later. Put the parrot on the block. Then move the parrot into the scaffolding. And there you go, here is your parrot cage. Thanks for watching.